Go, go!
One down.
Hands on your head. Don't fucking move. Alpha. Suspect. Come back, you guys, or we'll fucking kill you. Yeah, Bravo, keep that stuff. Push up.
Bravo, move forward.
Come out. Come out.
Watch that tower. There's still men inside the building. Grenades ready.
Rutabo! Come out now! You
Come
want
out.
fucking rip? Come on out, your heads up!
You got somebody coming out behind you.
Come out now! Cut towards my boys! Come out! Keep walking! Keep walking!
Going down.
Behind you, man!
Start walking up. Keep walking.
Keep walking! Keep walking towards my boys!
Listen, you on him? I'm on the man down.
Toward me.
You are not dead.
Doc,
Put your
take
hands
it
up.
back. Grim, start down.
One minute to set charges. Knuckles.
We have 4 minutes before we distract.
You want to move in here and set up a perimeter.
me see that hand cannon. There we go. That's badass.
If we don't recognize it, we're going to shoot it twice.
So are you guys ready to kick some ass?
Oh, you betcha.
Awesome. Do you know what you're doing yet?
Hell no.
On the nose! On the nose! Ah, la, la, la. Okay, I'm done.
That's great, man.